Hi, I'm Akanshya. This is a haul video of jewelries that I recently got from Salty. Since Valentine's Day is approaching, if you want to get something for your loved ones at a really good affordable price and something very unique and beautiful and elegant, so you can check their website out. They have a whole new special Valentine's edition wala jewelry collection. Firstly, let me take a moment to appreciate the packaging. Each jewelry comes individually packed in these beautiful mesh bags, which is again really cute and thoughtful. And they have also sent me a packet of chocolates. The first item is the one that I am currently wearing on my neck. This is a beautiful pendant and you can actually wear it in two ways. This is the first way that you can wear. It actually has magnets on the hearts at the ends, and here's the second design. It kind of looks like a flower, and there you go, you have the two-in-one pendant necklace. And the next item that we have is this pretty set of a pendant and a ring. This one is a special gifting option, so you get this in this separate box with the brand name here, and the packaging again is very cute and aesthetic. So here we have the same pendant that I'm wearing, and along with that we have a ring as well, which is again really cute. It looks like a hug. Next up we have a set of 6 earrings. Now these are again so cute because these are a combination of two of my favorite shades, gold and lavender. So all of these are basically hoops and danglers, which are quite beautiful. Now the first piece, we have half hoop which has these pearls embedded all over, a dangler, so it has this ring, this beautiful lavender star at the bottom. Then we have the third pair which has these heart cutouts all over. So this hoop again is pretty simple and it has this lavender butterfly detail. This is a solid lavender hoop. I've got one more ring in the same design like the previous one that I already showed you, but it's in silver. Now one thing that I really liked about their rings is that these are adjustable according to your finger size. The next item that I've got are a pair of earrings, water drop design. These are again very classy, very elegant, very pretty. The last item for today's video is yet another set of 6 earrings. So we have 3 studs, 2 danglers and 1 pair of hoop. So let's start with the hoops, which are my personal favorites. Gold spiral base wala hoop, and iske charo taraf you have these very pretty baby pink crystals wrapped all around. So these are like very unique. The next 2 pairs are danglers, which are little similar because these both have this butterfly detail. The first one has this ring and then white butterfly detail, and then you have this beautiful butterflies. So these are in peachy pink tones, and these studs are quite simple and basic. The first one are these just normal usual single pearl studs, and the next one are these geometric triangle shaped studs in gold, and the last one is this pretty flower with this diamond stud. Firstly, you need to keep these away from moisture. Perfume, your lotion, your creams, your body oils are all dried. Only then wear these. Next, remove these while sleeping and also while taking a bath. So do not wear these when you are going out for physical activities where you're gonna sweat a lot or where there's a lot of humidity. So yeah, I think that's all about this video. I hope it was of some help for you and you liked this haul, and I will definitely recommend this to you people. Until next time, it's me Akanshya signing off. Bye.